Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to our channel. In this video we showcase a range of cozy and adorable winter slipper design ideas for kids. From fluffy animal themed slippers to classic styles, we have options that will keep little feet warm and comfy during the chilly months. You will find design with soft linings and fun embellishments like ears, making those perfect for indoor longing. We also feature slippers with non-slip soles for adding safety and easy slip-on style for convenience. Whether you will looking for cute or practical, those winter slipper ideas will add a touch of warmth and fun to any kid's wardrobe. I hope you enjoyed. If you liked what you saw, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. Your feedback means a lot to me, so drop a comment below with your thoughts or suggestions for future videos. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on all the latest content. Thanks for watching and